What's going on, you guys? If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. It's good for your health. Thanks. What's going on, you guys? We're going to get straight into the video, creating a watch face. We're going to specifically do the Nike style watch face because that's what someone asked me about directly. So we're going to hop straight into the video. We're going to actually do the watch face directly from the Apple Watch. And this is how you do it. All right, we're gonna hold down that screen, slide over to new, hit the plus menu. Now we're gonna you can rotate the bezel, or you can actually do it on the face itself, depending on how you feel. And so we scroll down to Nike, try to find the one that I'm actually utilizing, which I believe is the Nike Hybrid. But once you press Nike, it's gonna pull up all of the available Nike watch faces. But anyway, we're gonna select it. And then you're going to actually press add face. Once you press add face, it's going to allow you to start editing that watch face. Let's see, let's add. Now it's going to ask you the style. Okay, well, it didn't ask us the style on this particular one. So it's asking how do you want that time to show up. So we scroll down. Let's see the wheel. You can actually have that. This one. But of course, I had this one right here, the digital one. So we're going to actually slide over because we like that style. You want the circular or do you want the full screen? We're going to go with the circular. I'm feeling that one right there. Going to go with the color scheme. Now, of course, the color scheme is completely up to you. There's so many choices here. I would suggest if you're making one right on the spot and you're going somewhere, you're headed somewhere, just, whatever colors you have on, or you want to do an off color. It just depends, I'm assuming. So we're going to actually do black and desert sand. That looks awesome. Let's go with that. Then we're going to slide over, and now you can do all your complications. Okay, so what I normally do is I always have something for the conditions, but we're going to actually do the temperature so I can know the temperature at all times. Oh, they had a temperature on the right side, but okay, let's keep it pushing. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna have to scroll up. We could do the walkie-talkie, which is awesome, especially if you have someone else that has a walkie-talkie on their Apple Watch as well. I always keep a timer. Now you can do a specific time for the timer, and I always do 10 minutes because that's normally in the 18-wheeler where I do my pre-trip. Let's see, for the next one, not gonna do the alarm, but I always set what do we do, timer. So yes, I do have an alarm. I utilize the alarm one, which is awesome. And for the final one, if I do decide to do it, now keep in mind you can turn it off if you don't want that one on there, but I utilize every last spot just in case. What do I normally put right here? I normally put the heart rate sometimes. I could do the map. You could do messages and it goes straight to your messages, music, noise, phone. Man, there's so many options. I do Shazam a lot because sometimes I hear a song and hey, I want to know what that song is. So I go straight to it. Okay, this is off. I didn't know this ring was actually one. So let's see what we could put on this ring. Maybe we could put the date and the time. That's what I normally select as well. Boom. Now that date and time is right there. That's actually all they have for options in this one. So what I do is once I get everything the way I want it, I press that. Then voila. Now you have your watch face exactly how you want it for the day. Boom. Set your alarms. Boom. Set a timer. Stop the timer. Now I can know what the weather is without even selecting it. I can see it. I see the date, the day, the month, and the day. Shazam, if I hear a song. Okay, would you like? Yes, okay, yes. And they'll start listening for your music. Now, if I press it now, it'll automatically just start listening for a song or whatever is playing. Time, Nike watch. Absolutely amazing. And of course, this is done on the Apple Watch Ultra. And this is absolutely amazing. Anyway, leave a comment, like, subscribe, all of that good stuff. If you have any more questions about the Ultra that you want me to include in another video, please hit me up. It's no problem. Leave a comment in the comment section, and as I read those comments, I'm going to respond, and either with a video or directly to the comment, or both. Thank you for watching Unboxed. Again, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Trying to do big things over here, trying to have a lot of content based around the Apple Watch Ultra and other products, not just tech. Anyway, this your boy Tate. If you found this video useful or helpful, hit that like and subscribe button. Share, please share, please share, please share. This your boy Tate. I'm gone.